Good morning everyone, hope everyone's really well. So in today's video we've got the Audi TT. We jumped in the Audi S3. It's going to be a mad POV drive and also versus races and highway pulls. So stay tuned on this one. Upcoming videos will be the Skyline. It is fixed and it's going to be coming on the road. The video's dropping next week and the Toyota Sora. That is fast, that Jag is. Bro. It does feel a lot faster than the TT, doesn't it? Clearly it's got a modified exhaust. Look at it, it's like way better than standard. That's probably one of the best sounding M140 I've ever heard. Wow, it's so fast it is. But 200 brakes. Say again? Yeah. And then we slow down again. Huh? Okay. Come on. Go on. Go on, mate. Wow. That was so fast, that was. So that was a 2-litre diesel CC Leon, right? And it is moving with the S3. That's fast, that's fast. Look, yeah. That's quick! So again? For a diesel, that's quick! That's fast, that is. Beautiful car. May God bless you with more, because that deserves a lot of respect. Your taste in cars, amazing. Yeah, go ahead, I want to see. Whoa. Wow, he's actually launched it. Come on, TT, let's go! Crazy driver. Oh my god. Yes sir. Let's go again. Go on. Oh, he's so quick, he is. Oh man. He just dusted me there, he did. But my best leeway is to use the 4-wheel drive now and put it into action. Go, go, go. This is it now. Come on, TT. Let's get what you've got. Go far there as well. Come on. Look how far busting me as well. Nah, I'm gonna fill up. It's on 0. Good thing you told me. Ah! Can you feel the down? Oh! Wow! That looks absolutely amazing.
So tight, man. Like everything's so tight. What's this?
No, listen, no one can sit at the back. So now just go ahead, first gear.
Feels, yeah, you can feel the sort of stock suspension, to be honest. But it feels like, I don't know, it's just me or not. I don't know. It feels weird.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It does, doesn't it?
But she pulls like.
Yeah, it does pull, doesn't it?
Yeah, good engine.
Yeah. Wow.
For stock suspension, man, like she didn't like overstay it or anything.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I want you to really like in the bend, keep it in the bend.
Imagine if you put like coilovers, brakes, and then do like an exhaust so she can There's no lag and stuff.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Stop.
Like my girlfriend just set up on this car.
Yeah.
She's fucking rapid. I think you can get easy 300 on these.
Yeah.
Just nice, man.
Yeah, go ahead.
Keep going now. Go to 7, man. Keep going.
Go to 7. It's a tight bed, is it?
Pause that, man. Oh.
Yo.
What do you think, that first impressions?
I prefer that.
Good answer. I think I do too. I still feel claustrophobic and
But
very small.
this thing is just.
Yeah, I know. I can't see anything. I just feel like, you know, a little blind spot when you do
Oh,
some
yeah.
turn. I can't see anything.
Oh, it's a pain even to get out of this car, man.
Fella.
You go, bro.
Don't worry, I'll go look for it. Alright, need to find that GoPro then. Found it! Okay. Okay, we've got it. Still good. Just the thing come off here.
And this.
Yeah. It's alright. We've got the footage in there, that's more important. So yeah.